Hi everyone, check this out. This is Purina Beyond, a natural cat food, and it has simple ingredient recipes. So this is salmon and whole brown rice recipe, has natural probiotics, and it's incredible. So it's a 48 ounce or 3-pound bag, and I definitely recommend you try this out with your cats. I love the 3-pound bag because it allows your cats to just try it out for the first time before actually investing and keep going with this brand. So check it out. But if your cats adore it as much as ours do, you can go up to 5, 6, even 13 pounds. And if they're not into this recipe, don't worry, they have other ones as well, such as chicken and whole oatmeal. Check out these little kibbles, super easy to eat and digest. I never liked kibbles that were too big for my cat, so this one's perfect. I definitely think you should check it out on Amazon. It is an amazing brand. We adore Purina, and you're definitely gonna like it, or I guess your cats will definitely like it.